In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Windsurf without any prior development experience. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to create a sign-up web application using the Windsurf platform. Start by opening the Windsurf application on your computer. You can locate the application in your programs list or on your desktop, depending on where you installed it. Once the application is open, you will be greeted with the main dashboard, which is your starting point for all tasks. Next, find and click on the agent option located in the menu. This section allows you to manage your sessions and configurations. After selecting agent, you will see a new screen displaying various features related to session management. Once you are on the agent screen, look for the button labeled New Session and click on it. This action initiates a new working environment where you can begin your project. After clicking, a loading animation may appear briefly as the application sets up the new session. After this, you will notice that a code cascade appears on your screen. This code serves as the foundation for your application. It is generated automatically by Windsurf and will contain the necessary structure for your web app. Now, you need to type in the specific code to create a sign-up web application. Make sure to follow the syntax and structure provided in the code cascade. This is a critical step as it defines how your application will function and interact with users. Finally, wait for Windsurf to generate the application based on the code you entered. During this process, you may see a progress bar or other indicators showing that the application is being built. The duration of this step can vary depending on the complexity of your code and the performance of your computer. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.